Well, something interesting happened at the park, our new park. We're at Meridian right now.
In today's episode, this park is absolutely full. Chris talks about services at RV parks. There are a lot of benefits to joining a lodge. It's warming up way too soon.
I mean, it's not much, but it's a gym. You know, there's a lot of services that a bunch of these different parks have to offer, like blood draws, health screenings, food drives for the homeless and for the hungry, and for shelters. If you look around, there's a lot you can take advantage of and still help out as well. One of the things I kind of wanted to talk about a little bit too is that the lodge that I belong to right now had a wonderful meeting last night that I got to partake in. Well, something interesting happened at the park, our new park. We're at Meridian right now, and it's lately hasn't been that full. I don't know what it is, but yesterday there was a sudden influx of campers like you wouldn't believe. There's not a whole lot of open spaces except for the smaller ones, and we got a few Class A's right up against us right now. No problems. I mean, that's what campsites are for. It's a nice day this morning. It's probably about 38 degrees, but there's no wind, so it doesn't feel cold. We'll put the drone up in a little bit, show you a little bit more about what the crowding situation at this park kind of looks like. I know it doesn't look like it behind me right now, but these are short spaces. All the others have just about been taken. Amazing. The neighbors that pulled in next to us said they're only going to be here for about 3 days, and then they're continuing on back home. Maybe that's what it is. I don't know. Looks like we're recording, and I'm using the Black Magic app. So I wonder how well this is going to do. Never done it before, but seems a lot of photographers and videographers use it. So we'll give it a try. What do you think, young fella? Well, we just got some business to attend to, huh? Well, let's see how it works.
Insiders, yes, you still rock.
I mean, it's not much, but it's a gym, and I don't have to pay extra for a membership. It comes with a park. Like I said, there's not a lot, but it suits my needs right now while I'm trying to get back into it. And I've got my own spotter and private coach. Oh, bud, Yeah. A little time on the bike now. You know, there's a lot of services that a bunch of these different parks have to offer, like blood draws, health screenings, food drives for the homeless and for the hungry, and for shelters. If you look around, there's a lot you can take advantage of and still help out as well. Now that looks kind of like a miniature date palm. Probably not, but most likely ornamental. But it does look pretty cool. This one, however, looks a lot like some creature out of the movie Dune. Now the hibiscus are beautiful. I can remember as a child, my mom used to wear those in her hair just above her ear. In South America, that was kind of a thing. It was really pretty neat. One of the things I kind of wanted to talk about a little bit too is that the lodge that I belong to right now had a wonderful meeting last night that I got to partake in. It was an opportunity to see the other side of what it's like to become a member. There were about 15 people that went through and became members that evening. And I got an opportunity to have another one of those wonderful burgers at Gentink's kitchen right there in the lodge. If you're not taking advantage of the Elks and becoming a member and helping out your community, as well as using the facilities that are offered by the Elks for their members, you're really missing out. It's a wonderful organization, and the people have just been amazing. Everyone's there to help in one way or another. And there's so many services that you can provide and that can be provided for you as well. So take a look at your local lodge. See about becoming part of a wonderful, absolutely great organization. I think you'll all find it something special for you too.
Thank you for inviting us into your home this and every Sunday at 5 p.m. Arizona time. Don't forget to like, hype, share, and if you're not already, subscribe to our channel. Please travel safe.